Okay, so it's Mr. McTavish, and this tutorial is how to get a number from the user. So most importantly, we need to import java.util.scanner. So that's up at the top. You'll notice I'm not putting the comment in there. That is simply so that you can see everything clearly, but you would obviously put the comment above there. And the comment block is your name and date and all that. So in here, we create a scanner object. We call it input. And new scanner, and then brackets, system.in. So really important, if we're going to get input from the user, we only need one scanner, and then we can use that to get it. So right now, quick test, make sure everything works. And what we're going to do once that works is we're going to prompt the user. I'm just waiting. There we go. So it's always good to prompt the user. We did this in the other tutorial. So it should be familiar to you. So input dot next line and brackets. Now, this is the new part. We are going to copy and paste that line. And instead of name, please, we're going to type age, please. And this time we are going to use an int, and we're going to call it age. So we use the same input, but instead of next line, we are going to use next int. And remember, the int data type is an integer, and it's when you don't need a decimal number. For somebody's age, we don't need a decimal number. So next int will get the age. So in here, let's just, so there's our hello plus first name. So there's the first name plus. And what we're doing is we're building our sentence. So in the quotation marks, we're adding a comma, so that will go right after the first name. And then you are, notice how I'm using the spaces so that it won't be all jammed together. Age, years old. So these spaces will prevent it from being jammed together. So if I run this now, I should get the prompt for the name. So name, please. So I'm going to type a name, and I'm going to type an age, so 16. And there we go. So we've got the person's name and their age, and we can do math on an integer. So age equals age plus 1. And what I'm doing is I'm assigning the value of age to be whatever it was. In this case, it was 16 plus 1, so we should get 17. So if I try this again and put the same data, I am able to manipulate the age. 16, and then there's my line. Next year, you will be 17. Obviously, I missed a word there. That's it.